You get what you pay for. Honestly, you get what you pay for with AliExpress.
Can I tell you a secret?
Hi y'all! Welcome to Unbottled Secrets, a channel where my truth becomes your entertainment. Today's video features a store that I have been shopping at for years, like since high school, and I always wanted to do a haul video on it, but I just never got around to it, and I still shop at this place, so I figured why not do an AliExpress haul. So everything talked about in this video will be from AliExpress, including my hair. I will give you all the details on the hair that I purchased in the description box below. So if this is something you may be interested in, please continue watching. So the first item I purchased was this yellow bodycon short dress. It's perfect for summer. The whole neon and bright color trend is still in, and I just wanted to participate, so I purchased this in a size XL. The sizes and the price that I paid will be listed on the screen. And I think it's really nice. The quality of the material looks pretty good. It doesn't look cheaply made, and I mean, this is something you could probably buy from like a Rainbows or Forever 21, so the quality fits those type of retailers. So here is the dress. It is quite short, but I kind of like it. It's taking me out of my comfort zone. I am sucking in quite a bit because I have a little, little pudge, but for the most part it hits the, the right spots. Looking thicker than a Snicker out here in these streets. Okay, I love it. Oh my gosh. So let me be honest with this next purchase that I'm about to tell you about. I bought it because it looked designer. I mean, it has a designer logo on it, and I figured why pay $40 at the Nike store when I can get some sweats for I think $11. But you get what you pay for. Honestly, you get what you pay for with AliExpress. I mean, it's still a good dupe. It's not bad. I think what I would have preferred more with this item was that the fit would have been a little bit better, but you will see in the demo. But let me stop rambling and show you this next item. It is a Nike inspired jogger sweatpants thing. Well, it was marketed as joggers, and I mean, it fits very comfortable. It's nice quality for sweats. I just don't like the way that it was fitting on me per se, and I just don't particularly like the logo. So if there's a way I can take this logo off, I might, just so you can see the logo. Yeah, I'm not particularly a fan of the splashy marks. I don't know if Nike ever came out with something like that back in the day. I don't know. I'm not a brand person, but yeah, I'm not a fan of that. It just looks messy. I would probably wear these to lounge around when I'm going out. I think the sweats look is still in. Y'all know y'all like to wear heels with sweats and stuff, so who knows. So keeping up with this athleisure thing we have going on, I did purchase a sports bra from AliExpress. I was very surprised at how well it fit. I got this in an extra large, and in retrospect I probably should have just got a large because it is a little bit loose. But with AliExpress I tend to just size up because I'd rather it be too big than too small. And it did come with cups, but I took the cups out because my boobs, we don't need cups. And it's just really nice quality. I really like it a lot, and it was really affordable, so I know I might just purchase more of these, but in my size, because I need as many sports bras as possible, because we're trying to be #fit in these streets. Okay. So the final clothing piece I purchased was this beautiful cheetah or leopard, I don't know, animals, but print skirt. It's a wrap skirt essentially, and it has this detail on the side, which when I purchased it I thought it was like a split, but I still love it the same. It's very in trend right now, very light, so it's good for especially the Houston summers where it gets really hot and humid, This is just very light and feathery and just comfortable, and I can just see myself wearing this on the weekend. I think I'm gonna actually wear this tonight. So check my Instagram. Okay. So y'all, I freaking love this skirt. The print isn't too overbearing. The ruffles, I could live without them, but I do think they add a little extra flair to the fit. Now if this was a split with the ruffles, oh, this would have been the perfect outfit. Like, and you can dress this up, you can dress this down. I dressed it down with a t-shirt that I just knotted in the front. Just real cute and simple. It has a little tie on the side, which I don't see the point of, but it's okay. Yeah, it's just nice. So now on to the accessories. The first accessory piece I would like to feature are these loafers. They put me in mind of like moccasins, but they're not moccasins, and I just like the gold detail on the sides. I like the way that it's stitched. It does not look cheap at all. Like, I really do like these shoes, and they're super duper comfortable, and they fit so well. It's kind of creepy. It's like they fit so well that they're on the bit of the tight side. That's how well they fit. But yeah, I just really like the quality of these shoes. So I also purchased this clutch, this snakeskin clutch from AliExpress, and it is just so freaking nice. Like, when I purchased it, I did not expect it to look as good as it does. Like, it's an envelope clutch. Envelope bags were very popular when I was in high school, and I feel like it's one of those timeless pieces that probably won't go away, even though the snake trend may go away. But this is just so timeless. It's so nice. It's beautiful. I'm so shook. The inside is just very bland. It's just lined with, I guess, some type of linen. It has this gold detailing, and the gold does not look cheap, you all. Like, it has this gold clasp with just, I'm so shook as I'm talking to you about it. Do you not see the quality of this faux snake skin? It's just so freaking nice, and it's just so classic. I can probably wear it with anything. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. The next item I purchased was this satin-esque scarf. It's really nice. It has great print detail. It feels amazing. You can wear this probably to sleep if you want to wrap your hair up at night. I actually purchased it primarily for my hair going out when I just want to throw on a hair scarf. I'm not going to actually demo this on my head because I am going out right after this video, but I will leave pictures on my Instagram tagging AliExpress with this scarf so you can see how it looks on my head. You can also wear it around your neck. It's just a nice little fun scarf. You can also wear it around your purse. It's just great, and it was very affordable. The next item is actually an old item. I purchased this months ago, almost a year ago, but I decided to feature this in the haul because I've actually never wore it, and it's really nice. And if the link does work, I will drop it in the description box below. But it's this corset belt. It's a corset belt. It ties in the back. It's Velcro material, and I just haven't figured out how to wear this, so that's why I haven't worn it. But once I figure this out, we'll see how it goes. But I do like the material. It's really nice, and it's still in trend. I think corset belts are still the trendy thing to do. So this is how the corset look. I actually got this dress from Ross for like $10. It was a good steal. So this is how it looks. Makes me look snatched. It adds that pop of color to like a very neutral tone. So I really like it. The final thing that I would like to feature that I purchased from AliExpress is something that I'm super duper excited about. I wanted this for a while, but I was not about to pay $40 for a bag when you can find it on AliExpress for like $20. And it's this straw. I don't even know what you would call this. Like, it's not a messenger bag. It's kind of like a basket bag. And the detailing is so freaking amazing. It has these faux leather straps to hold it up. It has gold detailing. It's held together by a straw handle. And then it has this blue detail in the inside. I just feel like this bag will go with like anything this summer. I just see myself wearing the heck out of this bag. It is just so well made. It's just so beautiful. Whoever made this paid attention to details. It is so great. This bag just makes me want to go on vacation. Like, I love this bag so much. So yeah, that wraps up this video. I hope you had a lot of fun watching me try on the clothes that I got from AliExpress, as well as me discussing my likes and some dislikes of the items that I purchased. Overall, I am really satisfied with this current purchase from AliExpress. I actually really liked most, if not all, of these products. And yeah, I think I'm just going to continue to do more hauls because I actually love shopping at AliExpress. Minus the long wait time, but it's just so much fun. And the fact that AliExpress have really came a long way, because I remember there was a time I would purchase from AliExpress and I could not fit any of the items because I didn't understand the sizing. But now I have an understanding. I love the clothes that I purchased, and yeah, I'm rambling now, so that wraps up this video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you don't like this video, please don't thumbs down. Just go watch another video. And as always, please join the Unbottled Secrets family. We would love to have you. And if you're anticipating whenever I will upload a new video, hit that bell so you can get a notification whenever I decide to upload, which hopefully may be a little bit more recent since I did graduate. Yay! Also, if you feel so compelled to follow me on my social media platforms, my socials are as follows. I hope you all have a great day, and bye you all!